Guys, so welcome to our new video. So last time, we discussed or we tried to solve our fourth problem involving algebraic substitution. So nasa rule number 4 na tayo. So before the end of the video, di ba sabi ko, try to answer problem number 4 using this rule, number 5. So reciprocal substitution. Okay, so pag ganun yung case natin, yung sa same scenario or same requirements, so pwede mong gamitin tong AS5 sa 4. So but this time, ang substitution natin, we use x is equals to 1 over z. So we'll try to solve again yun, so 1 over z. So now, let's try to solve again problem number 4 using that substitution. So ito na tayo. Okay. So ayan. So if you remember, we'll substitute as x is equals to 1 over z. So ayan. So yung x na to, and then x squared and x to the 4, yung x na yan, papalitan natin ng 1 over z. And of course, sir, how we do with dx? So paano natin mapalitan ng dz? So differentiate nyo lang. So derivative is dx, of course, and ito negative 1 over z squared dz. So dapat alam nyo na yan, guys. So alam nyo na yung ganyang differentiation. So yun na. So you just have to replace. So replace nyo lang to. So magiging integral of, so dx, so palitan nyo to, negative dz over z squared over, so yung x squared, sabi ko nga, papalitan nyo sa loob ng 1 over z squared. Ayan. Then ito, so 1 plus yung x, so papalitan mo ng 1 over z raised to the 4th power, bracket na lang, bracket, raised to 3/4. O yan. So dito, very important na alam nyo yung algebra, guys. So purely algebra kasi to. Okay, so what's next? We can factor out yung negative dito, negative 1 sa labas. Then you can simplify it more. So ito magiging 1 over z squared. So magiging negative dz over z squared over 1 plus z squared. So ito, we can take the LCD after square or raising to the 4th power. So 1 plus 1 over z to the 4th, of course 3/4. Ayan. So under yan. Then we can take, take the LCD of this one. So magiging integral of, so negative 1. So of course ito, if you're going to notice, so you can cancel this out. Since if you take the reciprocal of this one, so magka-cancel nyo na yan. Pero later na lang. So negative dz over, wala na pala, sa labas negative. So dz over z squared, negative 1 sa labas, over, so 1 over z squared. So if we take the LCD, which is z to the 4th, so z to the 4th plus 1. Yan. Raised to 3/4. And then, sabi ko nga, pwede mo i-cancel yan since parehas yan. So, cancel out. 1 half and 1 half. So, matitira na lang to. So, pwede mo siyang reciprocal. So, it becomes integral of dz. So, of course, if you take the 4th root of z to the 4th, so maka-cancel yung 4th power, di ba? So, pwede mo kasing gawin tong 4th root of negative 1. Z to the 4th plus 1 over, may cube, z to the 4th cube. Di ba? So, if you take this one, so maka-cancel yan. So, magiging cube na lang to. Ayan. So, it becomes negative 1 integral of dz over, so if you raise this to 3, so 4th root of, so dandahan, z to the fourth plus 1 raised to cube over z to the 3 times 4, that's 12. So, z cube na yan pag nilabas natin yan. So, dito tayo. So, negative 1 integral of dz over, so, if we take the reciprocal, yan lang, fourth root na natin. So, fourth root, so it becomes the fourth root of z to the fourth plus 1 cube over z cube na lang. Gets? So, since pag kinuha mo yung fourth root ng z to the 12, z cube, then we can take the reciprocal. So, negative 1 integral of z cube dz over the fourth root of z to the 4 plus 1 cube. Kung makikita natin, so pwede mo rin numerator to. So negative 1 integral of, so yung 4 pwede mo i-factor out. So negative 1/4 na yun. 1/4. Ay, sorry. Hindi pala. Fourth root pala yan. Negative 1. So pwede mo siya i-reciprocal. So magiging z to the 4th plus 1 negative 3/4 na. Then z cube dz. At kung mapansin nyo, let u na lang to, di ba? So if you let u, so u natin, so ito tayo. Let u is equals to z to the 4th plus 1. So derivative, so du is 4z cube dz. And divide both sides by 4. So it becomes du over 4 is equals to z cube dz. So pwede mo na palitan yun. So it was negative 1 integral of u. So yung z to the 4 plus 1, papalitan mo na ng u. U to the negative 3 over 4. Then yung z cube, papalitan mo ngayon ng du over 4. Yan. So, pwede mo i-factor out. So, it becomes negative 1/4. So, u to the negative 3/4 du na lang. So, yan. So, bitin na. So, kuha tayo ng bagong papel. So, i-write natin ulit. Ayan. So, we end up with expression negative 1 over 4 integral of u to negative 3/4 du. So, of course, power formula na lang to. So, negative 1/4. So, of course, u, negative 3 over 4 plus 1, which is, ilan yan? 1/4, diba? So, 1/4 na lang yan. So, plus c. And of course, cancel yan. So, negative. So, may iwan dito is negative u to the 1/4 plus c, which is the same answer. Which is u. Ano yung u natin? Papalik nyo lang yung u. So, yung u natin is, eto. Diba? Yung z to the 4 plus 1. So, babalik natin. So, negative. So, quantity. Z to the 4 plus 1 raised to 1/4 plus c. Tapos na ba yan, sir? Hindi pa. Kasi, ibabalik pa natin yung x. Z pa lang yun nandito. So, ano ba yung original natin? Yung substitution. X equals to 1 over z. And of course, so, cross multiply nyo lang naman yan. So, z is equals to 1 over x. So, replace nyo na yung z ng 1 over x. Yun. So, lagay natin. So, negative. So, replace z by 1 over x. So, 1 over x raised to the 4th power plus 1 raised to 1/4. 1/4 plus c. 1/4 yan. 1/4. Sorry. Then, LCD na lang. Gusto nyong LCD. So, negative. So, 1 over x to the 4th plus 1 raised to 1/4 plus c. Then, getting the LCD, which is x to the 4th, diba? Ayan. So, x to the 4th plus 1 raised to 1/4 plus c. And if you take the 4th root of the denominator, So, magiging x na lang yun. So, the final answer is negative. So, x to the fourth plus 1 raised to 1/4 over x plus c, which is the same answer nung last time natin, di ba? So, parehas yan ang answer. So, yun. That's how we solve this one using inverse or reciprocal substitution. Okay, so medyo mahaba talaga, guys. So, ayan. So, dito ang key natin is you have to be very, very sharp in terms of solving algebra. So, gamit na gamit ang algebra nyo dito, guys. So, dapat hindi na kayo nakaka-problema yan. So, as I always reiterate dun sa mga past video natin, dun sa mga lecture ko dati. Okay, guys? So, that ends our video. So, watch out for the next video. So, proceed tayo sa substitution rule number 6. Thank you, guys.